Hello YouTube, this is Mega Inventors. Today I'm gonna show you how can you install the VMware on the Windows PC, and in the next tutorial I will show you that how can you install the virtual machine on the by using the VMware on the Windows PC. Just you need to follow these steps which I am going to show you in this video. Okay, so now first of all you need to download the VMware software. It is freeware and you can download it from the internet. In my case, I have downloaded it and I have placed on my Dropbox ID, and from where you can easily download it by just clicking a single link which is given in the description box of this video. So now I'm going to open the software, and I'm installing it. So here it will ask me for the installation wizard. So this window is called the installation wizard. Here next I accept, okay, next, and install, check product updates, right, and it is asking me for the help, improve VMware player, right, okay, and here it is asking you for the shortcuts. So you have to make sure that check the both of them, so easily you can find out the software. Okay, install, continue, and installing. Now it is being installed. So the program has been installed. Now I'm going to finish the program. After the finishing, now I will run this program. Okay, so now I need to create a new machine. So create a new virtual machine. Here this is the new wizard where you have to choose some options that must be correct in order to install the virtual machine on this software. So it is asking you install disk image. Okay, browse. So select the ISO file, open, and this is the warning message that could not detect which operating system, but you may ignore it. Okay, so click next. Here it is asking you that guest operating system, that is which operating system you are going to install this virtual machine, or which what about image. So in my case I have selected the Kali Linux. So Kali Linux, here this is the Debian 7. Next, and this is asking you for the machine. So I am renaming it by Kali 2016. Next, now it is asking you the maximum disk space where you will run this operating system. So you already know that you might be familiar with that more memory, more will be the easy to use this operating system. Less memory, and then it will create a problems and it will hang up. So in my case I am assigning it. It is asking you that at least 20 GB. So maximum, whatever you want to do, you can change it. So in my case I am assigning it 40 GB. Okay, so now choose the store virtual disk as a single file. So if you are new, so you have to choose single file. if you are familiar with the software, then you have to choose the split virtual disk into multiple files. Next, here it is asking you the ready to create the virtual machine, but before that, so first you need to customize the hardware, where you have to change the amount of RAM because and hard drive, etc. So in my case, I will not recommend you that use the 512 MB. So I am going to recommend you at least 1 GB, and also it will depend upon your system specification. If you have more RAM on your system, so you can increase the RAM. More RAM means that your system's performance will be more effective and easy. So in my case, I am going to increase it by 1 GB, 1 gigabytes. And now processors, here this is the number of processors. So I am putting it on the automatic, so it will choose the automatic number of processor is needed. So by default here this will be the net, use the shared host IPs. So in this case, if you choose this option, means that the if you are using the virtual machine for your hacking or spoofing or any other purpose that is illegal in the world or in many countries, so you have to choose the bridged connected directly to the physical network, because if you will use this option, that means it will share your real IP address of your system. So I'm using the bridge connected directly to the physical network. So now replace the physical. Okay, click on close and finish the machine. So now you need to choose the installation wizard. So I'm going to play the machine and play virtual machine. Now the other pop-up message will appear. Now it will ask you the different versions of the machine. So in my case, I'm installing the graphical install. Now it is asking you to select the language. So language that will the operating system will use, that means virtual operating system. Continue English. Now it is asking you to select your location. If your location is in from this list, now choose anyone. If you have other location, then select other and continue. Now it will ask you the continent where your country is present. So in my case, I belong to Asia, so go to Asia. Now it will show you in the next pop-up, it will show you that the list of countries in the Asia. So I'm from Pakistan, so select Pakistan, continue. And here it is asking you that to configure the locals, so you have to keep it unchanged and continue. Now it is asking you the keyboard configuration, which keyboard layout you are using. In my case, I am using the American English, so click continue, and now it's being installed on the system. So now it is asking you the name of the host name of the system. In my case, I am keeping it Kali. So domain name, keep it unchanged and continue. And now it will configure the network. Now it is asking you the root password. Root password means that when the operating system will be installed or installation will be finished, and it will ask you for the login. So you have to put the username as root and password will be that you are typing here. So in my case, I'm typing my password. Continue. And now it's being installed. So click next. Continue. Continue. So now it is asking you for the partitioning. So it is asking you that all first option is all files in one partition. So it will be the best that all files will be one partition, because if you are new user, now finish the partitioning, write the changes to the disk. Okay, so it is asking you the following partitions will be formatted. So these partitions are the virtual partitions. They does not belong to your real hard drive or real data, real memory. So your real memory will be safe. So I need to format. Yes, now the partitions are being formatted, and after formatting the partitions, the files will be copied on the system. So when this option will come, to configure the package manager. So this will take a while, some time. Usually it takes 15 minutes. In some systems it will proceed suddenly. In some systems it will proceed up to 15 minutes. The maximum time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. So wait until they configure the package manager. So it has been configured. Now it is installed the grub bootloader. Click next. Select this. Now finish the installation. Click continue. Now it is asking you for the username. Here username is root, that is by default. Password that you have entered on the installation time. Thank you for watching this video.